In this video, we're going to go over the calendar tool inside the MT5 platform. For those that are coming over from MT4, you may remember that you used to have to install an expert advisor if you wanted economic releases to show up on your charts. Well, that's no longer the case with MT5. To pull up economic events onto your charts, you simply come down to the toolbox and click on Calendar, and then drag and drop one of the economic releases into the chart, and this will have it automatically get pulled up onto the chart of your choice. If you do not see the toolbox in the bottom, simply go up to View and then click on Toolbox and make sure that it's pressed down as such, and it will show up. If you want all economic releases to show on your chart, the easiest way to do this is simply by clicking on the top one, holding down Shift, and then scrolling down to the last one and clicking again. This will highlight all of the economic releases that are available. Then simply left click and drag and drop them onto your preferred chart. As you can see, they all upload onto the charts. If you want to remove them, simply go up to the chart, right click, click on Object List, then List All, and do the reverse. Click on the top one, press Shift on your keyboard, scroll to the bottom, click Shift again, and click Delete. As you can see, this removed all of the economic releases from the chart, and you would just repeat this step on each chart.